Alright, so this video will show you how to record in BandLab. The first thing you need to do is to set up your own account, which I have done here. So I suggest you use your school account, the email credentials, your school account, or your private email. It really doesn't matter, you just need to remember the password. So once you set up your account, you're ready to create your first recording. Up to the right, top right, you choose create. Oops, create. There we go. And we have to choose something called import audio because we now going to import the file that we converted from YouTube to a sound file. So click import audio, and we can see here is the Lady Gaga sound file, Million Reasons. So we just double click that, and in a little we can see here it is. Here's the sound file. So what we want to do is to create a new channel where we can record voice, the singing. We do that by simply go to add track, and we want to choose voice. Click the voice, and voila, here it is. We have our second track here, and we are pretty much ready to record. However, we want to add some effects to the voice. So we go down here, we click effects, and we click add effect. What we want to do is add some reverb, some studio reverb. Now this is set to 6.2, which is far too much. So we're just going to take that down to 2.1, something like that. And then we also want to add another effect, which is called Dynamics Digicompressor. And you can actually play around a bit with these knobs here to find a sound that you like. We're closing this now, and then when you're ready to record, you simply press start recording like that. You have to count. Okay, so you will hear my voice talking to the intro of A Million Reasons. Isn't this a beautiful song? So welcome, folks. I'm going to sing to you now. Okay, so you get the point. Now, what I suggest is that you use the headset you have for your cell phone, plug that into your computer and singing to the microphone with your headset. That way you won't have a lot of disturbing noises coming in from the outside, and you also will hear yourself much better in your headphones. All right, good luck.